What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold the last couple days. My name is Larry. I'm a full-time reseller on eBay, and I have been since 1997. We sell a variety of things. We sell media, we sell autographs, we sell vintage hats, we sell vintage t-shirts, we sell all kinds of stuff. So basically, if we can make $1 on it, we're going to sell it. And what I do is I show you exactly what I sell. That way, if you're at the flea market, you're at the thrift store, wherever you're at, and if you see it, you can buy it and you can make money. It's a great side hustle, or you can do it for a living like I do. This is all I do for a living, is thrift and make money. So hey, let's see what we sold. This is something I learned from, I think it was Tacos. No, it was Connor Thrifts. I watch Connor Thrift's channel all the time. He's got a good channel. But he told me about the single stitch, just blank shirts. Like, this is my thing of blanks. It's not very full because I sell them. I sell them really well. If they're single stitched or made in USA, they sell for decent money. This thing had like 18 watchers on it forever. And I bought it for $1.99. I sold it for $19.99 finally. So you can't beat it. I mean, this was a small. That's why it took so long to sell. If it would have been an extra large or a 2X, or it would have sold really quick. But these blank t-shirts that are single stitched made in USA, pick them up. They sell. We picked up these games right here. This has only been a couple weeks. They haven't been sitting here for too long. This one was an art. Yeah, they were some kind of memory game or something. But this was art. And they're still sealed. And originally they were selling for like $25 at the store they were originally at. But we paid, I think, $1.99 each for these. And we sold this one for $37.99. So if you see new stuff, new old stock, pick it up, man. Scan it. I don't know if this had a scan bar on it or not. I can't remember. Might be too old for a scan bar, but still, I think I just put an art memo, and then put in this Platnik, and came right up. So yeah, $37.99. Sold a video game. I'm really surprised we sold this game. I don't even know why I listed it, but then I thought, okay. But it's a 2007 360 March Madness. We sold it for $11.99. We only paid like $1 for it. So we'll take that all day long. Sold a DVD called From Beyond. There it is, right there. That wasn't even set up. It was just, didn't have any room to put it in there when I put it in the other day. Just picked this up this weekend. We bought a collection of horror movies off a guy. We paid, I can't remember. I think I paid about 50 cents a piece for them. And I knew this one was a good one because I had never seen it before. So we had 50 cents in this, and we sold it for $24.99. And we sold a Nikita 11 by 14. I have some 12 by 18s, and I have some 11 by 14s. Those look like the really big ones. Those are the Major Harris ones. There we go. I think it was the one with the chains. Oh, here we go. There's this one right here. That's a great big one. But I'm gonna have to get in here and look at that. That's the one I sold. It's 11 by 14. That's a 12 by 18. All right, there's the 11 by 14. Nikita Koloff. He was one of my favorite wrestlers as a kid, and I made him put the Russian Nightmare. Actually, Dusty Rhodes gave him that. He was the American Nightmare, and this was the Russian Nightmare. But yeah, I had him for a signing at my store, and after paying for the photo, I think I had maybe $5 tied up in this. And we sold it for $24.99. All right, I sold a t-shirt, and I have a couple bins of these t-shirts. But the first thing I always do, I buy these clear bins so I can look. And I believe that is the shirt I'm looking for. That way I don't have to look through every shirt. Let's see. Pretty sure this is the shirt. I'm gonna have to open it up to make sure. I know it had some fish on it. But if this is the shirt, I paid $1.99 for it, and we sold it for $19.99. Took a little while to sell, but it sold. It was an all over print. I'm surprised it didn't sell faster. DVD. It was the bird cage. There it is, right here in the front. Can't see it on camera, but it was new. Bought it at a pawn shop for $1, and we sold it for $12.99. We sold a baby Einstein. I think they're sitting right here. Discovering Shapes. I think this one was called Discovering Water. Music Adventure. Worlds of Color. Neighbor and Animals. There we go. Baby Neptune, Discovering Water. We bought this at a pawn shop for $1. We love getting sealed stuff at the pawn shop for $1. And we sold this one for $14.99. So that was pretty good money there. Found all those the same day, and they all were listed for $14.99. Like I said, don't pass up the sealed stuff. Sold a Guitar Hero Xbox One Live. Bought this at the pawn shop for $5, and we sold it for $23.99. I'm not even going to try to do that. Goyoken? Some kind of samurai movie. We bought a big collection off a lady. She had 400 DVDs. She normally has all kinds of really cool stuff. She has a very eclectic collection. Like, you know, like I said, she has a lot of foreign films and a lot of, you know, martial art films and a lot of like stuff that's out of print, like stuff that most people just don't have. And I buy stuff from her every year. She sells her whole collection every year to me to go buy new stuff. And I bought this for 50 cents, and it was used. So keep an eye out for this. And I sold it for $18.88 used. And like I said, I love picking stuff up off her. We sold a Chicago Bulls jumpsuit. It was like, let me see. I thought there was. I thought there were pants to that too. There we go. The pants fell out. I was going to say the customer is going to be mad. But yeah, this is awesome. This is from the 90s. Look at this. Is that not awesome? It's the whole jumpsuit for a toddler from the 90s. Chicago Bulls, Michael Jordan era. I bought this for $2, man. At a Goodwill. I've had it for about a year, and I finally sold it with a best offer of $39.99. So that was a good deal right there. That's everything we sold the last couple of days. It was pretty good. You know, we made some pretty good hits on some of that stuff. Hopefully you guys had good last couple of days. Please like, please subscribe, please hit all that we can see all my videos. We do a variety of videos. We do, you know, like what's sold on eBay videos. We do what autographs we got back in the mail videos. We do thrift hauls. We do, sometimes we do some thrift store videos. We haven't done much of that since COVID. But hey, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.